As per now, as per our college policy, so we should have to maintain, and not only that, in a different inspection. So they have suggested to follow the AICTE syllabus and curriculum. From that point of view, now we are there. Initially, our syllabus is a little bit defined. Okay, not exact the AICT, but the current syllabus for the batch 21 to onwards. So we have prepared the syllabus on the basis of the AICT rules and regulation and maintain that one. And another interesting thing is that typically there is no guideline AICT. So basically we have followed our parent university Macau. And in addition, we have adopted 20% more. মানে, there's changing 20% addition in the syllabus. So our existing syllabus, I will request Arijita, please share the screen. The previous outline of the syllabus. Enlarge the screen. Please enlarge the screen. Is it visible, sir, everybody?
Yes, yes,
Oh.
it is visible.
So today's actually the main agenda today. I just am giving the brief. Today's main agenda is first of all, just three agenda I mentioned. Number one is the to approve the record the approval the course structure to be followed by the autonomous batch starting from 21 to onwards. Next is the approve the intermediate course structure for the existing batch, and to approve the MOOCs course for BTech degree for honors. So, I am discussing again. So this is the important the MOOCs course, because we have decided that everybody will get the honors degree. Though as per the AICT, there is an option. They can the student can take simply BTech course or BTech honors. If any candidate
Yes.
the normal curriculum, curriculum, if he or she can earn another 20 credit through online courses, that is defined as MOOC courses, then they will got the BTech degree with honors. But our policy, we have decided, our 10 year motto is that our degree will be BTech honors. That means we have decided the MOOCs course should be compulsory mode. And uh, that subject, basically the current trends and basically the uh, that's latest technology, the Internet of Things, next IoT, cloud computing, like this kind of subjects we have included in the MOOCs course. Uh, না এখানে আমি বলেছি you can share, then you can share, okay. And another thing is the interim syllabus. So we should have to inline our AICT. So that is why in our first semester and second semester we have done our own syllabus, autonomous syllabus. But in the next 3, 4, 5, 6 semester, they should have to follow the as per the AICT. So that is why in this 2 semester, in the last semester we have conducted the syllabus is the interim mode. Interim mode, we have prepared another syllabus that will to maintain to fill up the gap between these two syllabus. The previous one and the to be we have to follow. that one. So we should have to display this two in the BOS meeting here. So this is the existing syllabus in the third semester. Overall, so here mathematics 3. Here our policy will teach another extra mathematics. So mathematics 4 also will include that in the fourth semester. So electric circuit theory, analog electronics here also on change. So in case of Macau, there is a defined analog and digital. So we'll making it a one syllabus for analog and digital. Next is, can you enlarge the, it's not visible, just watch electromagnetic field theory. This is another in the third semester. Next is Indian Constitution and General Studies. This is our own subject for this subject is introduced already in the our previous syllabus. We have mentioned uh, to prepare our student for the placement purpose. So discussing or train for defined industry expert or defined job oriented expert. They discuss different topics to prepare our student for the placement purpose. And these are the practical electrical circuit theory, analog electronics laboratory, and another is the competitive aptitude training. This is also the practical modes and numerical laboratory. So basically, there is just the I am pointed out in MacOut proposed analog and digital electronics in the third and fourth semester year respectively. So our syllabus we have considered it as per the autonomous syllabus. So analog and digital electronics taught as a single subject in third semester. And this most probably the last GOS meeting, Devashish sir and Shelly madam also suggested this one. Am I right?
Okay, okay. Please continue. Next semester.
And another one that change is the numerical method labs and thermal power engineering labs are included fourth semester interim syllabus. But we have already completed it in the current semester.
The
And
page is not coming.
electromagnetic, sir?
The page is not changing actually.
Acha,
Now it is changing.
uh,
Next.
interim, এটা কিছু চেঞ্জটা হলো ডাইরেক্ট সেকশন
আবার উপরে চলে গেছে, নিচেরটা নামছে না।
গুড সেটিং আবার হ্যাঁ স্যার ইলেক্ট অরিজিতা. This is the interim syllabus, sir. You can say the fourth semester interim syllabus. This position, can you enlarge the mathematics and statistics 4? That is the only we have introduced this subject additionally. Another mathematics subject. So as per the guidelines of AICT, there is 3 mathematics, but we have our what was the mathematics and statistics. We have included the new subject and electric machine, electromagnetic field theory. যেটা কিনা ছিল স্যার electromagnetic field theory is also included in fourth semester interim syllabus. But we have included here in this semester, current semester.
Okay.
And electrical electronics measurement, thermal engineering. This also the thermal engineering also included in the fourth semester interim syllabus. And EBS. And next, another thing is required the biology for engineers. We should have to have given a name that the what was the initial name of biology name? As per the we have given Science of living things. But as per AICT, they have guided the biology for engineers. So that is why the subject name we have changed the biology for engineers instead of science of living things.
Okay, okay.
Next. So these are the practical subjects, sir. Already, uh, this is the approved syllabus, the previous syllabus. Next. There's no change. Uh, Now this is the sir, autonomous syllabus. নেমে উঠে গেছে। In the autonomous syllabus, these are the as per this year decision. So the MOOC subject each semester we have followed two MOOC subjects. So here object-oriented program and Java one and database management system. It উঠে গেছে সাবজেক্টটা আসেনি তো স্ক্রিন not showing. এই হার্ড কপিটা ওকে autonomous syllabus. Next. Overall. Follow from 20
এটা তো বারবার একই পেজটা আসছে, পরেরটাতে যাও।
না না স্যার এটা হচ্ছে যে ওভারঅলটা দেখি ওভারঅলটা প্রথম পেজটা সেকেন্ড পেজে ওভারঅল সেকেন্ড পেজ
ও ওকে।
তো দিস দ্য ফোর্থ সেমিস্টার ওভারঅল এখানে ইলেকট্রিক্যাল মেশিন 1 ডিজিটাল ইলেকট্রনিক্স ইলেকট্রিক্যাল এন্ড ইলেকট্রনিক্স মেজারমেন্ট থার্মাল পাওয়ার ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং সিগন্যাল এন্ড সিস্টেম এন্ড EVS. Actually all three subjects three syllabus there are three syllabus one is the previous one another is the interim and another the proposed. So that is why these are very close position. That is why it is think that just similar syllabus, but they a little bit change.
ওকে ওকে।
Next. Fifth. Fourth হয়ে গেল। So this is the fifth. আচ্ছা। This is the fourth, sir. Fourth syllabus. This is the and another thing we are already in the our existing syllabus we have mentioned that our students do their project from first year third semester to onwards. Two project, one is the minor and then the major. So they start their project from third semester. And this is the MOOCs designed for the fourth semester, artificial intelligence and machine learning and cloud computing. And they will learn the subject as a compulsory subject. This is the fifth semester syllabus. The electrical machine 2, power system 1, control system, power electronics, CMS design. These are the professional elective and renewable and non-conventional energy. Another open elective, data structure algorithm or computer organization. Another humanity subject, advanced technology, knowledge 1. And these are the practical subjects, electrical laboratory 2, control lab, power electronics laboratory, competitive aptitude and training 5. So this subject actually I have not mentioned. So already in the previous syllabus, this is the existing one. So each semester this is like started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this way. That is why the training 5. This is the fifth semester 5. And project also same way. This is the project they are mentioning project 5. And two MOOC subjects, so blockchain and cyber security, data science and data analytics. So this will be conducted in the normal classes, but the student also can take the help from online. So NPTEL or SWAM or our own IM learning resources, or any other resource, they can take the help. This is the 6th semester, power system 2, microprocessor and microcontroller, high voltage, engineering and electrical device. These two are the professional elective: information theory and coding, biomedical engineering, sorry, electronics. These are the practical is power system 2, microprocessor, microcontroller lab, electrical and electronics design laboratory. Our subject, the aptitude training 6 and project 6, and 2 MOOC subjects, software engineering and e-commerce. And this is the 7th semester, the analog and digital communication. Here 2 is the professional elective and 2 is the open elective subject. Power system and dynamic control, antennas and propagation, embedded system, VLSI. Open elective, another one is computer network, wavelet transform, and practical analog and digital communication laboratory, project stage 1, seminar on industrial training, advanced technical knowledge 3, competitive aptitude training 7. And these are the 2 MOOC subjects: introduction to microprocessor and DC microgrid and control system. And this is the final semester. And also on for a core subject, another professional elective one, another open elective, 3 paper digital signal processing, and professional elective which fiber optic communication, mobile communication and network, electrical materials and power plant engineering, interdisciplinary subject. And practical and seminar digital signal processing laboratory, and project final stage 2, general studies, current affairs 6, competitive aptitude training. And some MOOCs is industry 4.0, how to revolution your business, drones and autonomous systems fundamentals. So these are the proposed syllabus outside structural syllabus for the as per the AICT guideline, which will be followed from the year 2012, and the detailed syllabus will take the permission from the BOS and in the month of June. So till now the detailed syllabus, the preparation is going on. So till now we have not prepared. So in the month of May, hopefully we can complete this, and in the month of June we'll represent in the BOS meeting. So these are the MOOC subject. In each and every semester, there is a 2 MOOC subject, the compulsory mode. So in 3rd semester, database management system and object-oriented program. In the first year also, in the 2 semester, that also designed already and guided by the AICT, and that will take care of basic science and humanities department. That there are also 2 another MOOC subject 4. And 4th semester, the artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud computing. 5th semester, blockchain and cyber security, data science and data analytics. 6th semester, software engineering, e-commerce. 7th semester, introduction to microsensors, DC, microgrid and control system. And final semester, last semester, industry 4.0, how to revolutionize your business, drones and autonomous system fundamentals. So sir, these are the today's I want to share you. Now if any queries or clarification, so your approval is required.
So the students will be taking either MOOC 1 or MOOC 2 or both.
No, sir, madam, both. They will take both in a compulsory mode.
Actually, per semester there are 2 MOOCs courses, isn't it? Per semester
Yes,
there
sir.
are 2
Yes,
MOOCs courses, both are compulsory. What I feel from your
compulsory.
presentation. Eh?
Yes, sir. And we will conduct the classes, normal classes. In addition, they can take the help from online help also. In our IM learning also available, or yes, SWAM or Coursera, they can take the help.
So, so this main guideline you have got from the AICTE, no? Main thing, I mean, the syllabus
Yes,
what
sir.
was
Yes,
there. So that
yes,
is,
sir.
so,
And not only that, already tickets are mentioned. So the advantage of this AICT, if we follow the AICT, that means any candidate can switch over any other institute or universities if they also follow the AICT
same course.
right? Yes, sir. And they will can like the CBSE system. So due to their parents transfer, your job is transferable job. They if they can shift to another place, that their child also can shift that place and they can they got the admission other institute. That's the great advantage. And not only that, uh, in case of inspection, as per the guideline of the preparation of the question paper, that will help very much. And not only that, and the inspection team, they will frequently ask if we go to the not follow the AICT. And I believe that the AICT, the people have done the syllabus. They are they are so much expert.
So only some few mistakes like that analog electronics. You have written electronic like that, electronics measurement. So
Yes,
few small things were mistaken, but
okay, sir. If you point out, we can make it.
no, like analog electronic you have said. Normally it is analog electronics.
Yeah, definitely the analog electronics.
Like that. And normally
Okay, I will take care.
and you have written electrical materials. Mainly it will be electrical engineering materials. Normally, what is the course is? I don't
And
know
I
if
will
you
make
looked at
correction.
the,
We'll make correction.
yeah,
Actually,
the
sir, note down.
exact title they have given. You have
তো
written
এখানে
electrical materials.
অরিজিৎ আই উইল রিকোয়েস্ট অরিজিৎ ওখানেই তুমি নোটটা নিয়ে নাও ওখানেই পাশেই নোটটা নিয়ে নাও
Normally it is electrical engineering materials. So you just check with the exact title that is provided by
ওকে স্যার ওকে
AICTE.
স্যার বাই দিস
Okay.
টাইম কারণ বিকজ we have prepared a very short time of
Okay.
period so sir
Otherwise,
we
no,
will take
it's okay. I mean, as per this is okay. I mean, same thing we saw there also, similar for electrical engineering.
so Shelly madam it is okay
It is okay. It is okay.
okay Amitabh sir অমিতাভ স্যার আছেন রাজীব স্যার
Hello.
রাজীব স্যার হ্যাঁ হ্যালো রাজীব স্যার হ্যালো
No, it is fine. It is comprehensive. Only I have a question. হয়তো একটু বোকা বোকা question. সেটা হচ্ছে যে how you are managing the practical or lab in last 1 year or so. Just
ও স্যার
for my curiosity.
No, sir. This is you are asking the right question, very good question, and everyone will ask this question. So in the last 1 year, we are doing the online, totally on everything on the practical online, the exam also online. So actually, our teachers are coming in the college and they are designing.
How are you managing the hardware? The hardware lab?
Hardware in the virtual mode, sir.
Sir, actually, let me clarify it. Actually, sir, Government of India has developed certain on virtual platform practicals which are there in the engineering.
Yeah,
We
we know. In fact, we are also doing the same, using that MHRD's the
Yes.
MHRD.
Yes.
virtual, okay, the virtual lab. But
So those virtual labs we are doing mainly. And for normal things, we have made a video on ourselves. And we are actually familiarizing the students that this is the system, this is the hardware, and this type of connections are made. Like that introductory, that is not actual hardware practical, but only familiarization with the hardware we are doing by doing our own video. Just on mobile, we have made it and shown it to the student. But main practical they are doing on virtual lab only.
And sir, another thing, so some of our students also have given some assignment. They have developed some software. So if the student can putting the data, automatically they are getting the result. But this is very few, not negligible almost. So like that way we are managing. And basically theory based. Yes.
Anyway,
The syllabus is very comprehensive and you have encompassed almost all the subjects and present issues. So I agree to it 100%.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So
okay.
if there is no any more discussion, then can say we can wrap up here.
Hmm.
So, sir, okay, thank you.
And
Thank
if
you,
any,
everyone.
if any
Hello, sir?
signatures are required, you can send.
Okay, sir. I will send the form. Please sign there to give your digital signature. Okay, sir. And along with all the detailing, I will send it. Okay, sir, with the minutes of meeting. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Tomido sir. Thank you. Devash sir, সাবধান থাকবেন সবাই। Shelly madam, হ্যাঁ।
Thank you.
Right, sir, thank you.
Thank you. So I'm leaving, huh?
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pooja. Okay, thank you. So,
Thank you, everybody. I'm leaving.
Okay, sir, thank you, sir.
Okay.